We haven't done a relationship episode yet, so have you and your partner lost your spark? Are you struggling to find ways to find that spark? This episode isn't about that kind of spark. She couldn't say it, but I could say it. That's why we don't do relationship videos, right? We're trying to be deep, okay? We're trying to take something as simple as putting lights in our house and relating it to the spark that you find on the inside, right? So where do you find your spark, your inspiration, your light? Let us know in the comments. And where do you find that at?
With my family, really, with my family, but then times with you. And then like I think on a like personal level, it would be like music and
there we go.
You know, art, painting.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's the same for me. It can't get any deeper than that. So let's get into what this is really about. It's about the fact that a portion of our house has been under a shadow and we need some light to fill up that space. Let's get into more detail though. Have any of y'all ever gotten rid of an old rug and seen what's underneath it? This is a lot. This is like a collection of dirt from over the last, Lord, 4 years, man. Please don't judge me off of this. I'm still a good parent. Wow. You know what? I'm realizing I might be getting a little ahead of myself. I need to show y'all the before. During the day, there's plenty of light. Plenty of light comes in, but at nighttime, there's this kind of empty gap. But it's light over here and light over in the front. Oh, that's soft. Oh, that's so soft. Why are you doing this?
So we can light up the living room, especially the left side, and it can all be evenly lit up. And also what's nice about these lights is that they change colors.
Oh, you're putting the ones that change colors up.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Now, why would your husband have you setting this thing up by yourself? What kind of husband would do that?
Well, this is doable, so I'm good.
I'm not forcing her to do anything where she's doing that. I did the rug and swept up the beach sand that was underneath it. So we both are working together. And that's, at the end of the day, what it's all about.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Listen, I just have her doing the harder stuff. That's what it's about. Right now, as you can see, every light is on in our living room. But there's a difference now because we do have an extra light. So watch this. Leah, sit down and let them see what happens when I turn these lights on.
It looks so good.
But there's a few other things I can do that I gotta try this on camera. Are you in a volcano mood or more of like a ocean mood?
Oh, that's fun. Babe,
Yeah,
look at that.
yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Let me see.
I like that. I think we can say we officially found our spark now, right? I know our issue was during the day, there was plenty of light that would come inside, but then at nighttime, there was still this shadow in the center of the living room because we only had lighting on the right and far away on the left, but now
it's the whole space.
Yeah, we have
That's
lights
really
we can
nice.
control from the phone.
Yeah.
That's awesome. The area rug that you chose is helping light up the space too.
Yeah. That was
She
really
chose
nice.
that. She chose that from Wayfair. I did not. I chose the light though. You know what? Sometimes finding your spark doesn't require a huge project or a major change. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Working on projects around my house, though I didn't think I was capable of doing all of this, has lit my spark. Something as simple as putting a new lamp in the living room has lit up and brightened our whole space. What do you all do when it comes to areas in your own home that you want to add a little light to, make a little change, a little difference? What do you do in times like that? So what do you all think about that? Are you all dancing?